Hey guys, Hardik Patel here from eComHardy.com, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to assign the menus on your website. So this video is all about learn to create the main menu, top header menu, and the footer menu. At any time, if you like to visit my website called eComHardy.com, feel free to visit. Here you will find bunch of WordPress tutorial videos, Elementor tutorial videos, and also e-commerce based videos. Also, there would be some helpful tricks and tips mentioned on few of my blogs. If you are new to WordPress and if you want to create the website from scratch, then feel free to check it out my page I made just to help you to make a website from scratch. Simply search make a website and you will find bunch of other tutorial videos here. Simply click on any of those ones, mainly this one, and here you will find the step-by-step guide. There is a free and pro version of theme available with the discount codes, also the required plugins and all these things. So feel free to check it out. Now get back to the business. Here in the WordPress admin panel, I can create the menu structure by going to the, if you scroll down and go to appearance, and under the appearance go to menus and click onto the menus. It will look like this. So here you can see created menu options. You can also create the menus by going to the customize here. So open the customize option here, and this is the customize page. Here you can see bunch of options on the left hand panel. So in order to create the menu, by the way, I am using the theme called Top Store Pro. If you want to check it out, the tutorials on this theme, then go to my website and search for Top Store Pro. Here you can see this is the main menu bar. If you just simply click onto the pencil icon here, then it will allow you to enter and change the menu options. So you can see there are 4 different options for menu: header, above menu, main menu, sticky menu, and footer menu. For now, I have just 2 menus created, like which is main menu and above menu. So I can create more menus for relevant features, but let's go step by step and show you how to assign them first. So this is the main menu. Here I will assign to main menu. In case if I want to edit the main menu at any time, what I can do is simply go to the edit menu here, and there are the menu options. So you can change the menu priority, like drag it up to make it first, drag it down to make it last or second or third accordingly. So what I want to do is I want to assign only 4 options on the main menu, which is like home page. Second is the shop page. Third is maybe let me add the item because I don't want any of these ones. Maybe I can delete first. So collection page, I just want to delete or remove. Blog, I'm not writing blogs right now, so I'm removing it for now. In case in future, if I want to start creating blogs, maybe I can add same to my eComHardy website. Like these are the blogs here. So just simply delete. And contact us, there are 2 contact us page here. So you just have to find out why they are duplicated. If they are duplicate pages, then you have to find out the unnecessary page and remove from the admin panel. So for now, I'm just removing from here. So there is only 1 contact us page. Buy now, I don't want to keep it for now because buy now is available from the cart and checkout. Now I want to add 2 more items here. So what I will do is I just click on add items and then search for it. So if I want to add any category items like blogs or anything, you can drag and drop here. I want to add the product category. So mainly the dresses. So I can add the dresses here. If I want to add, like if I want to expand the um, if I want to go by the tags, I can also go by the tags and add the tag options or tag items, and it will search or divert your customer by the tag. but I will stick to that for now. Product categories, dresses. I also wanted to go with boys and girls. So what I'll do is boys and girls. So there are two different options. The dresses comes under girls category. So I will remove this because it's unnecessary. Now I just have to assign the order. So what is the order? Home is first, shop is second. I want girls category or item third in the menu list. The fourth is boys and the fifth is contact us. I'm happy with that and then publish. So this is the main menu and it's assigned like that. If I just simply click on any of the options to see whether it's working, yes, it's working. Now, if I want to, so this is the main menu header. I want to remove this call now option. So what I will do is simply go back and then layout. Here on the layout, go to header and main header. And under the main header, you can choose the headers accordingly. So this is the main header layout. You can see I have selected layout 1. That means the logo is here, search bar is here, the other options are here, and the menu options are here, and call option is here, which is exactly same on the home page. Now what I want to do is I want to remove the call now button. So what I will do is go down here, button, instead of button I can say none, and it will remove the call now button from the menu bar. So the main menu bar is set. In case if I want to add any widgets, if I have like a country widget or change the currency option widget, then I can simply click the widget and add and select the widget. But for now I have no widget assigned, so I will just keep it as it is. In future I will gonna also add video regarding how to add the widgets on your home page and other pages of your website. So simply go back, main header, and I will say select none, and that's how it's done. Now you go back, and now I talked about the above header menu, remember? So here you can go to the option. Currently on the home page, above header option or menu bar is not showing up because when you go to the layout option, the above header layout is currently not assigned. Now there are few layout options here. There are multi-column layouts like 2 and 3 column layouts or single column layout. If I go to just single column layout, here it will ask in the column 1 what you want. So here I set as a text, and the text is get fast and free delivery. But what about if I want to add the menu option on the layout on the right hand side, and this message I want to keep it on the left hand side? Then I can go with the second like option where it can allow me to go with two columns. First is the text and second is the menu. So here you can see the menu. Now you can see the menu is assigned here. It's home, shop, girl, boys. So it's exactly mimicking same as the main menu. I want to change the options. So what I can do is go to menu or click on the pencil icon here, and then it will drag me to this page. This is the header above menu. So header above menu is set to these options. I will just simply change to above menu, and this is the main menu option, which I'll keep as a main menu. So now you can see the header above menu is set to only three options: cart, my account, and checkout. What I can do is I can also edit these options here. So edit menu, and when you go there, there are three options. You can change the orders like my account first and then cart and then checkout. You can also add the items or the categories or other pages into this menu as I shown for the main menu page. Now, once it's set, you can select the header above menu here and it will assign to only this option. Now, if you want to set the above menu to sticky menu as well, that means if you scroll down, the sticky menu option will pop up here when you are scrolling down or when you are on the product page or anywhere. and it will show only these three options which you assigned under the above menu option. I just untick for now and then publish. By the way, if you want to do the same things into the admin panel, you can do the same things here. Under the appearance, go to the menus. Here you can see there are two menus created. If you want to create a new menu, just like here, you can see the footer menu and sticky menu. If you want to create the separate menu options for that, you can simply click on to the create new menu and say footer menu. You can just title it the same name, footer menu. So menu name is footer menu and then create a menu. Once you create the menu, um, currently it has no items selected. So what you can do is you can assign the items here. Now for the footer menu, I have not created any pages. So I will just gonna use from the existing pages like terms and condition page, ask us page, and maybe wish list. So this is just a testing. You can choose accordingly whatever page you want to go with, and then you can click onto the add menu. You can also assign specific links or the products or post or product categories or anything else mentioned in these items. Now let me go back to the pages and then add to menu. It will go to these options. Now once the options are assigned, you can also drag up and down to change the orders. So wish list first, ask us second, and terms and condition third. Depends on what is your requirement, and then make sure you save the menu. So this works the same way exactly as you are doing on the customized page. Now what if I want to add the page which is not assigned here? What you can do is you can go to the pages, create new page, so add new page, and just say I want to create privacy policy page. So PRIVACY, make it capital, and here you write the privacy policy of your business. So let me write just an example privacy policy. This is the example of privacy policy page, and you can keep writing whatever you like to write here. And then once you finish writing, you just simply publish. Once it published, you simply go back and go to appearance under menus. Here on the footer menu, I wanted to add the privacy policy. You can see the option is showing up now. So you can simply tick and add to menu. Now, once you are happy with that, you simply save the menu. So done. Once you finish save, go to the customize. If you remember, just under the appearance, customize, and it will open this. So here, now I wanted to assign the footer menu. So if you go down, there is no footer menu here. So what you can do is, I just want to refresh because footer menu option was not showing up here. Once it's synced, and then go to layout, go to footer, and go to above footer. Here you can assign the menu option. So this is the footer option here. You can see our art can change your life and living, which is showing up here. I want to change the footer option. This is the above footer. You can also change the below footer option. I want to go with only one column layout. So here on the column 1, I just simply select menu. Once you do that, you can see the footer menu comes up here. So you can see all the options of the footer menu options you selected showing up here, which means it's working. Simply publish. By any chance, if you want to add any more columns, then you can select the different layouts. I stick to one single layout for now. Once it's done, I just go back You can see here it's called below footer. So here copyright, instead of all this text, you say your website name and then 2022. Once it's done, you can publish. By the way, if you want to add the copyright symbol, what you can do is the simple way, copyright symbol, search in Google. The first symbol you can see, simply select that, Control C, go back and put it here, Control V and done. So you can see the copyright symbol shows up here. Then publish. So this is how the menu options sorted. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Please check out my eComHardy website and check out my other tutorial videos and blogs. Also, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click onto the bell icon. That will help me a lot and encourage me to make more and more helpful tutorial videos for you guys. Please thumbs up to this video and share it to your friends into the same field. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.